making today's vlog. What's up, guys? We're here at the Lemoyne Beach. We're here with my grandma. We're just outside. I caught some crabs. I cut my finger. There was a giant female rock crab. Either it was a rock crab or a mud crab. But I know for sure it was big. And, wait, Nan, beat the horn. Beat the horn. The crows are gonna fly. Aw, I thought the crows were gonna fly. And for some reason there's a UPS truck here. I don't know why.
I think it's that guy sleeping over there. Did you see?
Uh-huh.
He's been there. He was there and then he was taking a break. A long break.
So I bet I caught more than 10, no, I saw more than 10 crabs. I flip over rocks and there's crabs crawling out, crabs everywhere.
And you had some starfish.
Yeah, that's right, I did get some starfish. That is right. So now we're on our way to McDonald's, coincidentally. Well, not coincidentally, that's why we came to the beach, to try to catch crabs. But we're going to have lobster rolls now. What is that in the road? Oh, it's just some leaves. Leaves are scaring me. So yeah, this is just heading down Lemoyne. Let's have some music.
You fishing?
Oh jeez, scared me. So today's been quite the long day. We got my four-wheeler's backfired. I finally got the chain on it. Feels like there's crust all over my nose. Oh, kids. Kids. Who are these kids? Peoples. Oh, it's Betta? No, that's not Betta. So yeah, we have Roman Atwood fireworks. 4th of July is coming up. I'm going to be shooting those fireworks off then. That's going to be fun. Up the back. That's one weird name. Up the back. Why is that boat in front of us? Is this the guy who was just out there? Why is he going so slow? Oh, Lemoyne State Park?